Hello friends. In this video we are going to learn to unlock the power of access control with Cripsa Incorporation. At Cripsa, we have made role-based access control simple. We offer a comprehensive API suite for RBAC in your applications. RBAC ensures that users get the right access. It's all about granting the perfect level of access based on roles, responsibility, and what they need to do. Today, we will guide you through creating an RBAC project with Cripsa. To create a project, we need to first of all log in and access the dashboard. So now I am in the dashboard. So once in the dashboard, we have to click on the create project section. And once we click on this, we need to mention few details like the environment, which can be either a staging or a production environment, which is a testing or a pre-production environment. Then we need to mention the name of the project, whether the project type can be either with MFA or without MFA. So here this API allows us to establish project with or without multi-factor authentication. Creating project serves as the foundational step in setting up RBAC for different application components or services. Now you can choose the suitable MFA option based on your security requirement. So here I am choosing create project without MFA. Then we need to mention the name of the domain, which can be without HTTP, HTTPS, or www. Let's say I'm mentioning rbacktest.com. And similarly, we need to mention the project type, which is a unique identifier in alphanumeric form. So I'm just putting the same RBAC test. Then we need to mention the callback URL, which is the address where user will be redirected after completing a specific action. So let's say it's the slash docs, cripsa.com slash docs, and similarly the sign out URL where user will be redirected after they have logged out of the application. So here it's cripsa.com, is the sign out URL I'm using. So now after mentioning all this, we need to click on the create project section. So now the project is created, and there are a few detail which is like RBAC auth detail that have been provided by the system. So it's like client ID, client secret, user pool ID, user pool domain, then your XAPI key, XAPI ID, and similarly we will also be provided with button token callback URL and button code callback URL. So these are the two things that will be provided to us. And once we mention all this detail, we need to just click on the continue button. And once we click on the continue button, we can after this have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we can start to create the action, roles and all this. So after 5 minutes of wait, we can create the roles, action roles, group and user. So this is how the project is created in Cripsa. So Cripsa is your trusted partner, making user access and permission management a breeze. So I hope you understood how to create a project. In the next video, we will see how to create action roles, group, and users. Thank you, friends.